Hey Freedom Lovers, this is Dr. Peterson Pierre with America's Frontline Doctors bringing you today's Daily Dose. The Louisiana Department of Health said it will no longer promote mass vaccination, according to a memo released by the state Surgeon General. A spokesperson for the Department of Health confirmed that Louisiana Surgeon General Ralph Abraham had ordered his staff to stop engaging in media campaigns and community health fairs to encourage vaccinations. Quote, "The state of Louisiana and LDH, the Louisiana Department of Health, have historically promoted vaccines for vaccine-preventable illnesses through our parish health units, community health fairs, partnerships, and media campaigns," the memo said. "While we encourage each patient to discuss the risks and benefits of vaccination with their provider, LDH will no longer promote mass vaccination," end quote. Louisiana state officials stressed that healthcare providers talk about the benefits and risks posed by vaccines with patients and answer all questions based on scientific evidence, not propaganda, not ideology. Abraham was critical of blanket government mandates for vaccines and said that federal officials were erroneous in how they pushed for COVID-19 vaccines. He said individuals should make their own decisions instead, but apparently the government thinks we're not bright enough to do that. In a separate letter, he chided what he called, quote, "inaccurate and inconsistent guidance on masking, poor decisions on closed schools, unjustifiable mandates on civil liberties, and false claims regarding natural immunity." But the greatest missteps were on vaccines, and some continue to this day. Within months of their approval, COVID vaccines were shown to have no third-party benefit in terms of reduced transmission, yet they were still mandated through both policy and social pressure, end quote. Describing that as an, quote, "offense against personal autonomy that will take years to overcome," end quote. He was then critical of current CDC guidelines that recommend 6-month-old children get vaccines for COVID-19. Injecting 6 months old with an experimental drug. Just absolutely criminal. Quote, "Government should admit the limitations of its role in people's lives and pull back its tentacles from the practice of medicine," end quote. Abraham said, noting that he wants to regain the public trust by, quote, "acknowledging past missteps, refocusing on unbiased data collection, and providing transparent, balanced information for people to make their own health decisions," end quote. Finally, someone in office with some common sense. Ladies and gentlemen, only the truth will set you free. Stay tuned for the next Daily Dose.